Hi, it's Laura here with HealthyPlace's Surviving Mental Health Stigma blog. With this video, I wanted to share 2 simple tips for dealing with stigmatizing people in your life when it's not as simple as walking away. In the written portion that goes with this video, I share who those people might be and why it's not always as simple as walking away. So if you haven't read that yet, I recommend checking that out. But for now, we'll jump into the 2 tips that I have for you. The first tip involves social media. As we know, social media can be a great place to share ideas and thoughts and positive things, but it's also important to filter out things that will be harmful to our social media experience, because social media is also a breeding ground for stigma and lots of other negative ideas. So here's what you can do to stop seeing those stigmatizing things on your social media feed. It involves either unfriending, unfollowing, blocking, whatever the term is for whatever social media platform you're using. I'm going to use Facebook as an example because this is one that I've implemented on Facebook a lot. There are certain people that I need to keep on my Facebook for whatever reason, but I don't want to see their posts anymore. So what I've done is use the unfollow feature. This allows you to still stay friends with them on Facebook without seeing their posts on your feed. And I find it really effective for just, like I said, filtering out what I see on my feed and keeping my social media experience overall positive. The second tip I have is about distancing yourself from somebody. So it's not about cutting ties with them entirely. That's not always possible, but what we can do is be mindful of what we're sharing with people, what kinds of conversations we're having with people, and even how much we're interacting with them overall. In doing this, we can have, a bit more control over the kinds of experiences we're having with that person. That's what these 2 tips are mainly about. It's about understanding that we can't control other people, but we can control our own actions and reactions to situations. And sometimes that's what we need to do. We need to step back and do what we can to better what's going on around us. If you have any thoughts or even suggestions that might go along with these, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd love to see them. Otherwise, thanks as always for listening, and I'll see you next time.